This video from CES 2018 is brought to you by the AKG K7XX, available from Massdrop. Find them at the link in the video description. So we're at one of the trippiest booths here at the show. Behind me is what is called a HyperVSN display wall or something like that. It's freaking cool. The brand that makes it is HyperVSN, and it is unlike anything else I've ever seen. Now, to be clear, like 10 years ago, I had a case fan for my computer that had LEDs on it that you could program to put some text in. This is like that, and it's been at the gym for the last 10 years, and it's been roided up as all hell. So each one of these spinning displays has 4 blades with over 200 micro LEDs per blade. That gives you an effective 4K resolution per fan. So you can upload a 3D movie or a 3D animated video to create a pseudo 3D image. And the crazy thing about it is because it is lifted off of the background, it's got this like pseudo 3D effect that even like looks 3-dimensional when you look at it from the side. I asked them how it works and they basically went, secret sauce, it's amazing. So each one of these fans has internal processing. We got them to admit that there's some kind of CPU, memory, and storage for content, but they wouldn't give us any real details about how that works. It'll cost you a whopping $3,240 per fan, so this is mostly intended for commercial applications, but let's say you kind of go, well, gee, Linus, I got a lot more than that to spend. And I want more than one fan, so the video walls behind me, they're just launching these at the show here. Well, you can rent the small one for 30 grand and the big one for 50. In the future, they do plan to offer these to things like retail spaces for demonstrations, but there's no word yet on availability or pricing. Now, in terms of the content that can be displayed on these, they have a strict certification process for studios that are authorized to create content for them, because they're very protective of how good the content looks, and I can imagine why, because everything they're showing here looks absolutely mind-blowing. So the way that you get content to it is it's all cloud managed. So each one of these has a Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection to pull down the video that it needs. So you can use any 3D animation software like Maya or Cinema 4D to create massive animations like this. And thanks to the way that the fan blades are actually slightly offset on the walls, the appearance is nearly seamless. Speaking of seamless, here's my transition to our sponsor spot. The AKG K7XX from Massdrop features an open back design, memory foam ear pads, and a leather headband. It's a great sounding headphone at a great price, and for 200 bucks, you can get it delivered to you at the link in the video description. So thanks for watching, guys. You can dislike or you can like. You can check out where to buy one of these at the link in the video description if you are so inclined. And I will see you guys at the next CES booth.